Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute treat package. Take 2 boxes from the Paper Pumpkin add-on. You want to take your paper snips and cut off 1 tab on each box. Next, we're going to open the box to create the form. I'm going to go ahead and close the top of the box first on both of them. So just fold in the sides and fold in the tab and place it inside. Next, I'm going to take some tear and tape that you can get, and I'm going to add some tear and tape to the piece on the outside of the box on the tab where we cut. Remove the adhesive strip. And this is the tricky part. So you want your tabs to go on the inside of the box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this tab on the inside, and then I'm going to bend this one closed so it goes inside the other box, just like so, and then press together. Now I'm going to open up the box, because I want to make sure that that adhesive is secure. So you can see it's not as secure, so just go ahead and pinch that so that it's attached. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, like so. So now I want to cover up the center part of the box, because you can still see the tabs here. So I'm going to grab some of the DSP that's offered in our January to June catalog right now. This is called Sweet Talk. Super cute for Valentine's or for just giving a little sweet package. I really love this one right here. So I love the contrast of the Highland Heather against the vanilla, and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to grab my Stampin' Up! Trimmer, and I'm going to do some measurements. So first I want to take a ruler, and I'm going to measure the box. I'm on all 4 sides and leaving me a little bit of extra for a flap. So I'm thinking about 2, 3, 4, and then I want to come about halfway in. So that's about 8 inches. And then the width, I want to do probably about 2 1/4 inches. So let me write those measurements for you so you can remember. 2 1/4, 5, 8. So I'm going to take my paper, trim it at 2 1/4. Extend my arm and cut it at the 8 inch. Now I'm going to turn it over and place the tear and tape on all 4 sides. Remove the film. Now I want to place this in the center of my box. So I think I'm going to fold it up again just so that I can see where the middle is. So I can see. I'll start with an edge so that I have a nice straight edge before I begin to fold it across the box. As I go along, I'm going to make the fold with both of my fingers and then securing the edge. So that causes that little crisp edge on the edge of the box. Just like so. And then this last piece will come across and finish it up. I'm going to close the bottom. And before I finish, I want to make sure that I add my treats. So you can see you've got quite a bit of room to fit your treats, maybe a little gift, and close it up. Now let's finish it. I'm going to grab the stamp from the kit, as well as this die cut piece. I'm going to grab my take a pick tool, a foam pad. I'm going to grab this little love you with our paper pumpkin block. This is the Highland Heather plastic ink. To add a hole, I'm going to take the take a pick tool and place a small hole right on the top. I've grabbed some Flirty Flamingo glitter ribbon and the gold twine that comes with the add-on box kit. I'm just going to wrap my ribbon around the box and make a bow. And I'll just take my paper snips and trim the bow. Now I'm going to take a good length of the gold twine and I'm going to add it to the box. Just place it through the hole, come underneath the bow, and make another bow. Trim as needed. And there you go. Just another exciting way to use your Kisses and Hugs paper pumpkin kit and add-on.